The hidden autopilot. You make thousands of decisions every day without noticing most of them. Your brain follows hidden patterns that guide your actions automatically. Many of your daily habits are shaped by systems much older than modern society. Even your simplest choices are influenced by invisible mental shortcuts. Your behavior often begins in the mind before a conscious thought even appears. Understanding these deep psychological patterns explains why you act the way you do.
The subconscious drive. Your brain is the most energy-consuming organ in your entire body. To maintain efficiency, it automates as many tasks as it possibly can. Roughly 95% of your choices occur below your conscious awareness. This means your habits are often guided by deep, hidden neural pathways. Your mind relies on these patterns to navigate a complex and demanding world. When a behavior is repeated, the brain treats it as a permanent default setting. This conservation of energy allows you to function without constant, exhausting deliberation. Most daily routines exist because your brain is biologically designed to save effort.
The halo effect. The human brain often uses a single trait to judge a person's entire character. If you perceive someone as attractive, you likely assume they are also intelligent. This mental shortcut is formally known by psychologists as the halo effect. It occurs instantly and usually without any deliberate or conscious effort. One positive quality creates a metaphorical halo that colors all other traits. This bias frequently influences outcomes in job interviews and social relationships. It prevents a truly objective assessment of an individual's actual skills or flaws. Your brain prefers to categorize people quickly rather than analyzing them deeply.
Cognitive dissonance. You experience mental stress when your beliefs clash with your actions. This uncomfortable state of psychological tension is called cognitive dissonance. To reduce this stress, your brain often creates logical justifications. You may find yourself changing your opinions to match an action you already took. This process functions as a defense mechanism to protect your self-image. The mind naturally prefers a comfortable explanation over a difficult truth. Resolution of this tension often happens subconsciously to restore inner peace. Understanding this helps you recognize when you are rationalizing a mistake.
The negativity bias. Your brain is biologically programmed to prioritize negative information. This evolutionary adaptation was essential for the survival of our ancestors. Humans who focused on potential threats were much more likely to stay alive. In the modern world, this manifests as a lingering focus on a single criticism. You likely remember one negative comment more than several compliments. Your amygdala reacts with much more intensity to perceived danger. One negative event can impact your mood longer than many joyful moments. Acknowledging this bias allows you to move toward a balanced emotional state.
Social proof. Human beings possess a deep drive to follow the actions of the group. This phenomenon is known as social proof. and it influences every interaction. In uncertain situations, you look to others to determine how to behave. You assume that the crowd possesses more information than you do. This instinct helped our early ancestors remain safe within their tribes. Following the group reduces the mental effort required to make a decision. Fear of social rejection is a powerful force that governs human behavior. Recognizing this pressure helps you maintain independent judgment.
The paradox of choice. Having an abundance of options often leads to increased stress. While choice is freedom, too much of it can actually paralyze the mind. This psychological phenomenon is known as the paradox of choice. When faced with many variables, the fear of making a mistake increases. You spend excessive time comparing features rather than enjoying benefits. Too many choices lead to decision fatigue and poor judgment later. Reducing the number of daily decisions leads to higher mental clarity. Simplicity in your environment leads to a more peaceful mind. Final conclusion. Your mind is a landscape of ancient instinct and modern adaptation. By understanding these rules, you gain more control over your actions. Awareness is the first step toward breaking automatic patterns. Explore the hidden forces that make you who you are. If this helped you understand behavior, consider subscribing for more insight. Thank you for watching this journey into the human mind.